Hey there, it's Michael R. Hunter with codingoptional.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your HostGator hosting account with a GoDaddy purchased domain name. So regardless of whether you've purchased your domain name through GoDaddy or any other hosting provider, the steps are going to be the same. So you'll be able to follow along. And if you've purchased a domain name through GoDaddy and you have a HostGator hosting account, you can follow these steps step by step. In the next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to install WordPress. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to set up your hosting account so that the domain name that you've purchased through GoDaddy works for your HostGator hosting account. So the first thing that you want to do is, once you've logged into your HostGator control panel, the C panel for your HostGator account, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you want to find your IP address and the name servers. We want to go over to GoDaddy. Once you've logged into your GoDaddy account, click on Domains, find the domain name that you want to use for the website that you're building, click Launch, and this will take you to the settings for that domain name. So what we want to do is we want to change the name servers. So you want to hit Manage, you want to make sure that you select Custom. So standard, this is what they normally are, and when you hit Custom, you just copy and paste the name servers from your HostGator account into GoDaddy right here, and then hit Save. Then what you want to do is come over here to the DNS zone file, and we want to change this a host record. This is a IP address, and we want to make sure that the IP address is pointed to your hosting account. So that number needs to be the same number as the IP address of your hosting account. So we're going to come back over here, we're going to select the IP address, copy, Command C on a Mac or Control C on a PC, come back to your GoDaddy account, and we want to hit Edit right here, right below the word zone file, hit Edit, and now we want to hit this little pencil button over here on the right hand side, select Paste, and then hit Save. So that when someone goes to your domain name, that domain name is now going to send that person to your hosting account, or pull the information from your hosting account. Now there's one more step that we need to take to make sure that this is set up properly. In your HostGator account, we need to add your domain name. So at this point, we've basically said, okay, domain name, this is where you need to pull the information from, and now we need to go into your hosting account and allow the domain name to pull that information, so that any Yahoo that has your name servers and your IP address can't use your website content. So it's a kind of a two-way street. Your domain name has to go and be directed to the content of your website, which is on your hosting account, and then your hosting account has to allow that domain name to pull the information, if that makes sense. That's the easiest, most simplest way I can explain it. So in your HostGator account, scroll down here to the domains section, click Add on Domains, and then you want to take the domain name that you're using and paste it in here. And then it kind of auto-fills the rest of this. Just put in a strong password here, hit Add Domain Name. And then once this is all set up, once that's all set up, you can come back here and click on the File Manager. And now your domain name is going to show up under your in your hosting account and your hosting files. So what that did is basically created a file for your website in order to install WordPress. So WordPress is going to be installed under the peacefulpathway.com website URL. So if we go, it's going to open up our file manager, and then we can click on this file, and this is where the WordPress is going to be installed. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress within HostGator, and basically it's just a couple clicks of setup and about 5 minutes to wait for all of the site files to load, because there's hundreds and hundreds of files. And then once it's loaded, now you have a WordPress website up and running. It's that easy. So if you have any questions, go to the Facebook forum, the members only Facebook forum. I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you have. And I'll see you in the next video where we're going to install WordPress. Take care.